Hi friends, I am Dr. Deepak Taide, Associate Professor in Chemistry, Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati. Firstly, I am thankful to Convener Dr. Vasanta Helavi Reddy Sir, Organizing Secretary Dr. S.P. Yavle, and Organizing Coordinator Dr. Sultana Siddiqui, who give me an opportunity to express my thoughts on COVID-19. Friends, COVID-19 is a disease caused by coronavirus infection. COVID-19 is nothing but it is a coronavirus infected disease. This disease is caused by several acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, that is SARS-CoV-2. Coronavirus disease 2019, that is COVID-19, was firstly identified in 2019 in Wuhan of China and since spread worldwide, resulting in 2019 as COVID-19. Friends, COVID-19 is a new coronavirus respiratory illness, which means it typically spread via airborne droplets. When an infected person cough or sneeze, droplets carrying viral particles can land on someone else's nose or mouth or get inhaled. The researcher compared the new coronavirus lifespan on the surface with that of SARS coronavirus at 70 degrees Fahrenheit and having 40% relative humidity. They found that both coronaviruses lived the longest on the stainless steel and polypropylene, a type of plastic which is used in everyday life. Both viruses lasted up to 3 days on the plastic and the new coronavirus lasted up to 3 days on steel. The lifespan of the virus on the surface depends on the myriad factors, including the surrounding temperature, humidity, and type of surface. Coronavirus lives on the surface like cardboard, plastic, and steel. Live coronavirus particles can survive for a time on the surface. It lives longest on polypropylene plastic and steel. New researchers suggested the virus lifespan is anywhere between 3 hours to 3 days on surface depending upon the structure of the material. A study published in New England Journal of Medicine suggested that the virus could live up to 4 hours on the copper, on the cardboard for 1 day, and on plastic or on stainless steel for 3 days. Basically, humidity is how much moisture is in the air or how calmly your skin feels outside. As relative humidity approaches 100%, sweatless readily evaporate into the air. That mugginess makes it challenging for the viral droplets to survive in the air and spread between the people. Coronavirus disease 2019, that is COVID-19, is an infection which is caused by SARS-CoV-2 and decrease the WBC, which makes kidney failure and other organ failure and ultimately causes death if proper precaution and medication is not taken. Friends, some typical symptoms of COVID-19 is fever, cough, shortness of the breath, diarrhea, muscle pains, sore throat, pneumonia, multi-organ failure, and ultimately death if the proper medicine is not taken. Prevention is better than cure. Friends, when we consider the structure of coronavirus, it's considered virion structure. Virion complete the infective form of virus outside a host cell with a core of RNA and capsid. Capsid provides specificity to the virus. Capsid is a virion, is an entire virus particles consisting of an outer protein shell and an inner core of RNA or DNA. Coronavirus consists of structural proteins such as spike glycoprotein S, membrane protein M, envelope protein E, and nucleocapsid protein N. How coronavirus spread from one person to another? Friend, from infected person, it spread by a respiratory droplet produced during coughing. It also spread by touching contaminated surface and then touching it by another healthy people. So avoid contact with an infected person. Avoid cough or sneeze of infected person. Touching of eyes, nose or mouth after touching the surface of object with virus on it or unknown surfaces. High frequency touching contaminated surfaces are telephone, mobile, pager, doorknobs, handles, lift, elevator buttons, chair arms, handrails, side rails of stretchers. Prevention is better than cure. The prevention efforts are multiplicative with effect far beyond that of a single spread. Each avoided case leads to more avoided cases down the line, which in turn can stop the outbreak in its trace. There are various diagnosis methods for the COVID-19 infection. First one is case history of the symptom. Chest CT scan showing features of pneumonia, but the most authentic diagnosis method is reverse transition polymeric chain reaction, which is also called as RRT-PCR. Friends, to avoid COVID-19, we must take precaution. The simple things to do is that use sanitizer, that is 7% Lysol solution, 60% ethanol, use isopropyl alcohol for hand washing, make the use of PPE, glove, mask and apron. Simple things to do: wash your hand effectively. Methods for hand hygiene is that use the alcohol based hand rub or soap and water. Simple things to do is that sweeping and mopping, cleaning of the handrails of the staircases, grill, lifts of the whip on the all side including floor, main door, door handles, knobs to be cleaned, recreation clubs should be taken, and use of sanitizer must be taken. Simple things to do is that remember, everything you touch may be touched by someone else who may be infected. Don't afraid. Fight with COVID-19. Save life on the earth. Dear friends, up till now, no specific medicine on COVID-19 has been prepared. There is no specific medicine to prevent or treat coronavirus disease. People may need supportive care to help them breathe. We should take self-care. If you have mild symptoms, so stay at home until you will be recovered. You can relieve your symptoms if you take rest and sleep, keep warm, drink plenty of liquid, use a room humidifier or take a hot shower to help ease of sore throat and cough. Friends, we can also do continuous or often hand washing. When there is a cup into it, elbow, don't touch the face, keep safe distance and stay home if you are not feeling well. Our good wishes for you and your family. We pray that you and your family should be healthy, happy and safe in this current situation. We request you to follow all kinds of precautions as advised by Health Department. You are really important for us and we care for you, and we want you to care for yourself and your loved. So stay at home, stay safe, healthy and happy. Hopes of good tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.